Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a custom ROM in the Lenovo TV X103F. Okay, so the first thing we got to do, we have to set up the tablet. Okay, so we go to settings, we scroll down, we go to security, and we have to enable unknown sources. Okay, you click on that and you say okay, and that is done. So you go back and we scroll all the way down and we go to developer options. Okay, if you don't know how to get there, you go to about tablet, you click in there and you tap in the build number 7 times until you are a developer. Okay, and then you go back and you go to developer options and you have to enable USB debugging. Okay, it's gonna be like this, so you have to enable it and say okay. Now we get out of here and we're gonna go to the recovery to a TWARP. Okay, so I have an app here. It's called Reboot Manager. Just press on that, it's easier, and then go to Reboot to Recovery and press OK, and that will take us to a TWARP, so we can install the stuff that we need. Okay, okay, we're in TWARP. We're clicking here and then in there, and there we go. Okay, I have to put in a better place to make sure that you guys watching everything. Okay, so now we go to install. Okay, and you're going to choose your storage. I got all my stuff in the micro SD card. Click OK, and then we have here, I put my custom ROM in this folder. Okay, so now we're going to install the custom ROM first. Okay, is the custom ROM, let me go back. You have to install first the custom ROM, then the gaps, and then this right here, and at the end the superuser. Okay, so we're going to install this. Oh, first we have to wipe this thing. Okay, so you just leave it there like that and you wipe it. Make sure that you do this or it's not going to install. Okay, okay, you go back and you go to install, and we're going to install this. Okay, just swipe and let it run. Okay, this is going to take a little while, so I'll come back when it's done. Okay, okay, that is done. So we're going to wipe this and go back, and we're going to install the gaps. Okay, okay, that is done too. So we wipe that too, and we go back. Now we're gonna install this. I don't know why, but that's what they say that we should do. So that was really fast. So, and the the last one is the Super SU. Okay, that's the one that's gonna root. That's gonna, yeah. That's that's gonna make it sure that your tablet is root. Okay. Okay, so now that everything is done, we store all 4 files. Okay, we start with this one, the custom ROM, the gaps, this one right here, and the Super SU. Okay, now you can reboot your tablet. Uh, okay, and this this is gonna take in between uh, this is gonna take between 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm not gonna make you wait on that because it's a long time. uh, so but it's gonna take that long, so it'll take you to your setup menu where you have to, set it up just like when you got it when it was new. Uh, Once you get to the setup menu, you just put all your information and all that stuff, and you're gonna have a nice, clean custom ROM. Okay, so let me see if I can come back and show you. Okay. Okay, I think it's almost finished. Okay, it's finished. So now we have to set it up. Uh, let me let me set it up and come back and show you. Okay. Okay, this is what you're gonna end up with. Okay, it's a very clean ROM. Uh, it doesn't have anything. Okay, this is all it has. Okay, it have Google Play Store, so you can download any apps you want, and it's a very clean ROM because this is all you have. Okay, make sure you go to superuser, and do it has a new one, has a new user. And that's it. Okay, now you all set. uh, this is a little, okay, but this is what you're gonna end up with. Okay, a nice clean ROM. uh, okay, now to make this ROM a little faster, all you have to do is go to settings, uh, okay, and go to sounds, and go to let me see, oh, other sounds, and just untick all this, okay, all that. Go back and go to okay, and go to let me see, okay, to language and input, right here, go to keyboard and untick this, okay, and then last, go to all the way down to about phone, so you can go to developer options, tick 7 times in build number until you say you're a developer. Go back and you're gonna see developer options, click on there and scroll down. Let me see. Gotta be right here somewhere. Okay, find this right here. It says window animation scale. Is 3 of them. Click on there and turn it off. Okay, all 3 of them. This will make your tablet faster, or at least try it. If you don't like it, just put it back. But this is how you make it faster. This is how you install a custom ROM on your Lenovo Tab TV X103F. Okay, if you like this video, please share this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you very much. See, you make it more snappy. Okay. All right, thank you.